In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage messages on Facebook Business Messenger. By the end, you'll feel confident opening your inbox, replying quickly, organizing conversations, filtering what needs attention, and setting up simple automations to keep everything running smoothly. First, open Meta Platforms Business Suite. This is your central hub for managing messages that come into your Facebook page. Once you're in, head straight to Inbox. Think of the inbox as your command center, where every conversation appears in one place so you don't miss a thing. When it's time to read and reply, click a conversation to open it. Take a second to scan the message history so you have the full context before responding. Then type your reply in the message box and hit send. Keep your response clear and helpful, and set expectations if you need more time, like letting the person know when you'll follow up. If you receive multiple messages at once, focus on the ones that need immediate answers first, then circle back to less urgent questions. To stay organized, use the built-in controls for conversation status. Mark a conversation as done when you've resolved it. This keeps your active queue clean and helps you see what still needs attention. If you want to revisit something later, mark it as unread to flag it visually. And if a message looks suspicious, irrelevant, or violates your page's standards, mark it as spam to keep your workspace tidy and protect your team's time. Filters are your best friend when things get busy. Use the unread filter to catch up on anything new you haven't addressed. Switch to needs. Reply to focus on conversations that are waiting for your response. And use Assign to view messages that are designated for specific team members if your workflow includes assignments. Filters help you work in batches, which can dramatically speed up your response time and reduce the chance of overlooking someone. Finally, set up auto-replies to cover the basics even when you're away. From Inbox, go to Automations, then choose Greeting or Instant Reply. A greeting helps set a friendly tone when someone first reaches out. An instant reply can acknowledge the message right away and let the person know when to expect a full response. Keep these messages short, warm, and consistent with your brand voice. That's it. Open Business Suite. Go to Inbox, read and reply, organize conversations, apply filters, and set your auto-replies. With these tools, managing Facebook Business Messenger becomes straightforward and stress-free.